patients who received it.
And while the study sample was small
Conquering
and
the
specific to one form
cancer.
of the disease,
New subject.
researchers say the results are unheard of
Got a new
and
treatment.
could forever change the way we fight cancer. Welcome back as America Reports rolls into a second hour. I'm John Roberts in Washington. That's some news, Sandra.
Nice to kick off an hour with a little good news, right?
Boy, that
Sometimes
would be
Sandra
nice.
Smith in New York, it
Get rid
is
of that C
often the
word.
worst news that gets the bigger headlines. But today, one of the biggest stories is one of hope for every person on this planet. We begin with that.
Making history.
And a live look now at Memorial
Cancer.
Sloan Kettering Cancer Center here in New York City. Today, the focus of the medical world's awe, the New England Journal of Medicine, publishing the results of its study and the 100% remission rate in patients who took part.
100%.
All of them with
Wow.
no signs of disease, despite once having had advanced rectal cancer. That's with no surgery, no chemo, no radiation, not even any serious side effects. Just back to life as normal, like the potentially deadly tumors never even happened. Now the hope is to use the same methods to wipe out cancer of all kinds. Fox News contributor Dr. Nicole Saphier is
nice?
a radiologist at that hospital and research giant, Sloan Kettering. She will explain what the results could mean.
Thanks for watching. I
all of
hope
us.
you're
Gives
excited
you
on
chills,
this one.
doesn't it? But first to Fox Team coverage, Jonathan Zeri is in
Kills a
Atlanta,
lot of
home of the
people
CDC,
cancer.
with a stunned reaction from the medical community there.
But first, to Eric Shawn. He's live at Sloan Kettering in New York with exactly how this discovery seems to wipe out cancer. Eric?
Hello, John. Talk about great news for this afternoon here on the Fox News channel. It is being hailed
With no
as a new
chemo or
drug
surgery.
that can conquer cancer. A complete remission, say the doctors here, something that the medical community has never seen before. The study was conducted here at the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center in Manhattan, and it, of course, gives new hope to those who are suffering from cancer. The drug is manufactured by GlaxoSmithKline. It is called Dostarlimab, and it was given in a small trial to 18 patients who were suffering from rectal cancer. Doctors administered it to them who were suffering from cancer at an early stage when the tumors and cancer cells had not spread throughout the body. The patients received one dose every 3 weeks for 6 months. And instead of facing grueling chemotherapy or surgery, those here say the tumors disappeared and the cancer
Sorry
vanished.
for the movement.
The drug has laboratory-produced molecules that substitute for our body's natural antibodies. The study, published over the weekend in the New England Journal of Medicine, says, in part, quote, the percentage of patients with clinical complete response was 100%. No patients had disease progression or recurrence. The hospital here put out this video of the patients praising the drug. They said they did not expect that their cancers would be apparently cured, and they were all stunned at the results.
Again,
The first thing I
100%
did, I
cancer
called my
erased.
mom. Yeah, we both cried. It was life-changing.
You go from
Everybody
feeling,
hates
oh,
that C word.
am I gonna die? Am I gonna lose my colon? And then to find that, like, oh, you're gonna be fine. It's just like, wow. It was amazing feeling.
It definitely saved my life and saved the lives of many others that have been a
Research
part of
for
this
the
trial.
world we live in, 2020s.
But despite this apparent
God we're
breakthrough,
making
a much larger
advancements
study still
instead
is
of going
needed.
backwards.
By the way, 45,000 Americans are diagnosed every year with rectal cancer. It is the second largest cause of death of cancers that we have, but certainly some apparently tremendous good news and hope here from the doctors and medical staff at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center in Manhattan. John, back to you.
Pretty remarkable development. Eric Shawn for us there in New York City. Eric, thank you.
Thanks for
Team
watching.
coverage
Please
continues.
subscribe if
Jonathan
you
Zeri
haven't.
has the latest live